Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the iOS 12 jailbreak is officially here. But it is a ruthless jailbreak, so there are some bugs, there are some issues, and there is no city available. This is a jailbreak currently for developers to update their tweaks or maybe make new tweaks, but you can jailbreak iOS 12 right now if you really want to. But if you want to install some tweaks, you will have to install the DEB file. I say that 10 times fast. Preference loader is broken, so if you want to change up some of the settings on some tweaks, you can't do that with this jailbreak just yet. So pretty much this is what the preference loader is. So all the tweaks here that you can configure, you just can't do that with the iOS 12 jailbreak just yet. You can SSH, and basically this is just for developers. You cannot overload with tweaks, so you can't OD, have 100 tweaks on your iPhone. You just can't overload it yet. And you guys see it here, noobs don't use this yet. So it is pretty much here, but it's not for the average user. This is just for developers or people who's really into the jailbreak heavy. And not only that, currently this jailbreak is only for A9 through A11 devices. So A9 is the iPhone 6s through iPhone 10, so iPhone 10 or iPhone 8. So this is not going to be available on the iPhone 10s Max or the iPhone 10R or the iPhone 10s. So just keep that in mind. I'm pretty sure it will become available once this is officially out to the public for everyone to use, but just for now, this is just for developers to update their tweaks or make new tweaks for the community. And this is how the tool looks like. So all you gotta do is just click on jailbreak. If you want tweaks, you just check the tweaks box. And yeah, guys, it is here, man, but I highly recommend you guys wait out a little bit, because just to iron out the bugs, have all the tweaks compatible. As you guys can see here too, Noctis 12 is partially working. So yeah, so developers are updating their tweaks, and this is also a good thing, because when the jailbreak drops for everybody, and so everybody can use, it's just gonna work. So yeah, so it's almost there. I would say maybe give it 1 to 2 weeks, and then everybody's gonna be able to jailbreak. Even though you can do it now, I just don't recommend it. I would recommend you guys wait out a little bit longer. And as you guys can see, Jake James, he is updating the tool, so he fixed the preference loader, so you can now change your tweaks configuration and a package installer. So this is 6 hours ago. So wow, package installer, which means like a Cydia or a Cilio. So he is constantly updating, and he just tweeted this out. Good news, preference bundle was never broken. Wow. So this thing is constantly being fixed, or it's constantly being improved, I should say. And everybody's trying to wonder, installer. So it could be Cilio or it could be Cydia. But I'm gonna wait though. Anytime when a jailbreak comes out, I always highly recommend you guys wait. And also, as you guys can see, here's a video here showing off snowboard and taptic keys, and this is iOS 12. So you guys can see the themes are applied and everything is here. So yeah, we almost there, man. We almost there. And even some people jailbroke their iPad. This is the iPad 6th gen, and yeah, it works. Noctis works just fine. And Noctis is the dark banners here, as you guys can see. Just follow Jake James. I'm gonna follow him right now. Zeppelin is having an issue right now, so just follow him, get all the latest and greatest jailbreak news. I just want to let you guys know the light is pretty much there. We just want to wait for everything to be more polished. Stay where you are. And the beauty thing too about everything, Apple is still signing iOS 12.1.2, so make sure you downgrade there if you haven't already, or you upgrade there, because I think that's going to be the best where you need to be if you want to jailbreak. Or you can stay where you are if you're on iOS 12.0. Here's the key. So if your device reboot, that means the jailbreak failed. If it respring, is success. So guys, there you have it. Just a quick little jailbreak update. The iOS 12 jailbreak is here. I cannot wait to show you guys new tweaks, interesting tweaks. You guys been killing it with the support. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, make sure you guys drop a like on this video if you guys find this video informative. Subscribe if you haven't already if you guys want to see more jailbreak tweaks and maybe news and tricks and tips, whatever. And I make other videos too on the channel too as well. And comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Alright guys, until next time, peace, and follow me on Twitter since we on Twitter. I don't know. Salute.